My fellow seniors, do you ever worry? What if I develop dementia? My friends, do not let tomorrow steal the happiness from today. As seniors, it is natural for us to worry about our health. But worrying every day about something that may or may not happen is not the way of enjoying the years we have now. Instead, we should take care of our brains and bodies. Keep moving, eat well, get enough sleep, garden, learn something new, do the puzzles, or anything that keeps your brains working. And please remain socially active. Talk to your friends, visit your family, join a group. Your brains need exercise, but it also needs conversation and a good laugh. And if you notice something real about changes in your memory and thinking, do not panic. Talk to your doctor and get proper advice. Remember, we cannot control what happens tomorrow, but we can choose what to do with today. So stop worrying about forgetting tomorrow. Enjoy today, laugh today, live today. After all, we seniors have earned the right to enjoy every moment without our brains complaining. Thank you for watching. Follow and share.